Okay, I think I injured my rhomboid as well. Nothing major, but it's kind of nagging pain as well as I think one week na yung left elbow. But I'll survive. But in addition to that pala, I made to a point na every lift session, kailangan mag-introduce ko yung 100 kilos stimulus or stimuli sa katawan ko kahit 1 rep max. So, this is it, Pansit.